Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make prawn rissóis. In Portuguese term it is rissóis de Camarao. It's a delicious Portuguese inspired party snack. So there are small pockets filled with creamy mixture which are crispy from outside and creamy inside. So let's get started. In order to make prawn rissóis, I've taken 250 grams of prawns. Prawns I have cut in small size. Now, if you get tiny little prawns, you don't have to cut them. These are medium green prawns. So let's get started. So in order to make the mixture, once the pan is hot, add butter, which I have taken 50 grams, and add onion, which is one medium size onion. Saute it and keep the flame on medium. Now, in order to make this creamy mixture, the main thing is the binding agent is the roux. So roux is basically equal amount of butter and equal amount of flour. That is how we make a roux. I will not make the roux separate. I will make it in this only. Now once the onion is half done, add garlic, which is 1 teaspoon. Saute it well. So once it has slightly brown in color, add prawns, which I have taken 250 grams. Mix it well. Add salt to taste, black pepper powder. Pepper powder is to taste also. Mix it nicely. Now the prawns are already sauté, you can see. Now it's time to add flour, 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix this. Keep the flame on medium. Add half cup of milk. Mix it well. Now keep the flame on low. Check the mixture is getting thickened because of this flour. Once it is simmering, add 50 grams of cheese, which I have cut in small cubes, or even you can use grated cheese. Look at this thickness. Now the mixture is ready and it is creamy as well. Check the texture. This is how it should be. Now this is still simmering, as you can see. Now once it becomes at room temperature, it will become more thick. So I'm going to turn off the flame now and set it aside. Meanwhile, we'll make the dough. So once the pan is hot, add 250 ml of water. Add salt is to taste. Once the water start to simmer, keep it on a very low flame. Add flour, 200 grams. You have to make a dough like this. Now turn off the flame and set it aside. So now once it is warm, you have to knead the dough. Now the rolling part, we have to fill the rissóis. Once you roll it, check the thickness. This is how it should be. And then with the help of a cutter, just cut it in round shape and start filling them. is how it should be. Check this. All sides are packed. Otherwise, the mixture will come out. I look at this. This is the size which I've made. These are ready to crumb now. In order to crumb, we need egg and breadcrumb. This my 8-year-old daughter made this. She too got excited and she made this size. So let's do the crumbing part now. Now one by one we need to crumb them. First dip it in egg and then in breadcrumb. Same goes for the all. This is how it should be. So now let's start them once the oil is hot. Please. This is the one which my daughter made. Fry them on both the side. A nice color. Should be golden brown in color. It should be crispy from outside, as I mentioned. Check this out. These are ready now. Remove it on a tissue paper. Guys, check this out. Now start with the next batch. Check this out, how lovely they are. These are very delicious. You can try this recipe. Check this. This is outside crispy and inside creamy. Check the texture. This is how prawn rissóis is made. Guys, try out this recipe and you all will enjoy this. Especially kids love this rissóis. So please do like, share and subscribe. Follow each and every part and share it with your friends as well. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.